Alright, it's time we talk about how we know the brain organoids are sentient and what consciousness really means. When we're talking about sentience, that's the ability for a living organism to perceive the world around it and make decisions based on that information. All living organisms share the characteristic of being sentient. And we've recently discovered that all living organisms have memory. Bacteria even are able to remember the things that they encounter and make future decisions based on those experiences. And yes, plants too have memory. It's not exactly the same as what we experience because they don't have a nervous system and don't have a brain. Consciousness is a little bit more of a tricky subject, and the meaning of consciousness in terms of medicine is a little bit different than what we're talking about when we discuss whether an organism has consciousness. Consciousness is the ability to perceive one's self. One of the ways that we've done that is by placing a little dot on the forehead of an animal, letting them look in the mirror and seeing if they wipe it off. If they're able to wipe it off, that means that they perceive the image of themselves. But that's a strange measure in my opinion. Not every animal is going to care about their appearance the way people do. We know that whales pass the red dot test, and they wear fashion. This means that they care about their appearance even in a world where they don't routinely look at themselves. Another component is theory of mind. This is the ability to receive oneself and to understand the emotions of others. This theory has been misattributed to people who are autistic and generally is just not a good way of determining consciousness. My cat gets upset when I'm sad, and she can also wipe off a little bit of flour on her forehead in the mirror. Is she conscious? By the standard definitions, yes. So what of our little blueberry muffins? Have we truly created a brain in a vat? I think as we grow them to be larger and more complex and integrate their neural systems with AI, we're eventually going to get to a place where the little human brain organoids are conscious.